It just so happens I know a song about watermelons.
Aquariums.
Aquariums?
Whoa!
So what did you learn about today?
Aquarium!
And what was it that sent you on your way?
Today.
Well, I know a song about it. You'll never need to doubt it. So everybody come on out and play. Sing along, Mo.
Moe explores.
All the interesting places.
Moe adores.
All the smiling happy faces.
Moe implores.
For you to get outdoors, and that means he'd like it very much.
Moe would.
If you want to look at fish but not get wet,
No thanks.
there's a handy place to visit, don't you fret?
With tanks.
See an aquarium, you can even take your mum. There was another line, but I forget.
Frank.
What? Still rhymed?
Everybody sing Moe explores.
All the interesting places.
Moe adores.
All the smiling happy faces.
Moe implores.
For you to get outdoors, and that means he'd like it very much. One more time.
Moe explores.
All the interesting places. Moe adores. All the smiling happy faces.
Moe implores.
You to get outdoors, and that means he'd like it very much.
Oh yeah.
Wonderful singing there, Mo. Did you think I was good too?
Yeah.
Oh, look at me. Fishing for compliments. Well, I'm off. Catch you later. Whoa!
Whoa! You okay, Frank?
Yes, just looking at the fish.
Okay.